Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make 5 different 4th of July recipes so you can share with your family, friends, and yeah. So our first recipe is going to be red, white, and blue Jello. Our first ingredient is 1 3-ounce box of blue Jello, 1 3-ounce box of red Jello, 3 packets of unflavored gelatin, a 1 5-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 14-ounce can of sweet condensed milk, 1 7.6-ounce can of cream. So we are going to start with our red Jello. So we're just gonna set it in the fridge and I'll come back to you guys when it's ready. Okay guys, so now we do the same thing but with the blue Jello. So now we're gonna pour 4 packets of unflavored gelatin into the bowl. Now we are going to pour 1 cup of hot water into the bowl. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of cold water. So right now we're gonna add sweet and condensed milk. Oh, that looks so satisfying. Our next one, which is our evaporated milk. So guys, now we are going to pour our mix into this rectangular glass bowl. So guys, we're gonna cut these into small pieces so we can mix it up into our white mixture. Guys, so as you can see here, we have them into our white mixture. We cut it up the blue and red and they're all in. So now we're gonna wait for them to set. And yeah, I'll be back with you guys once it's ready. Guys, so our 4th of July Jello is all ready now. It's all set and we're gonna cut it up and give it a taste test. We're gonna taste this. Our second recipe is going to be our cake pops. The ingredients you'll need are 1 1/8 cup of flour, half of tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of butter, 2/3 cups of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 cup of milk. So first we're gonna mix up our dry ingredients. So we're gonna put our dry ingredients aside and we're gonna mix up our sugar and butter. So we're gonna crack 1 egg now. So now we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So you're now gonna put in half a cup of milk. So guys, now we're gonna mix the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Guys, so now we're gonna put our cake into the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes.
Many minutes later.
Guys, so now that our cake is ready and baked and it's all cooled off, we're gonna start breaking it down. So now we're gonna add 1.5 cup frosting of your choice. Okay guys, so now we're gonna start rolling our mixture into little balls. Remember, when you're doing this, wash your hands and put your hair up so you don't get any hairs into your mixture. So guys, now we're gonna put them in the freezer for a couple of hours for them to harden. So guys, so after half an hour, we pulled them out of the freezer and now we're gonna put some sticks into each one. So guys, we finished melting our chocolate. So we're gonna use the tip of the sticks and dip them nice and in to our vanilla chocolate, and then just gonna grab one and then you're gonna push it in, but carefully, not all the way, like into probably the center of the cake pop. So guys, now we're done putting our sticks in. Now we're gonna put them back into the freezer so the chocolate hardens. Our cake pops are now done, so now they're ready to be dipped. Okay guys, so we're done melting our coating in 2 different cups. Guys, so our third recipe is patriotic fruit skewers. So the ingredients you will need are bananas, raspberries, blueberries, and some skewers. So I'm going to start off by cutting the banana. So guys, here are our patriotic skewers. It's really good. That's the raspberries are really sour. So for our last and final recipe is a yummy strawberry banana milkshake. So first thing we have is our blender, a cup of strawberries, half a cup of ice cream, half a cup of milk, banana, and fruit coloring. Guys, so now that our milkshake is done, we are going to put only half of it in and then add some red food coloring. Okay guys, so this is our final product. The blue and the red kind of mix, but I mean, at least it'll taste good. We got our whipped cream and our sprinkles. So yeah, that will be the end of our video. And hope you guys like this 4th of July video. Subscribe, like, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Also, I can make farting noises and no one will know.
Do it! Imagine it catches it on.